Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. Hope you people are doing good. Do you want to know about Hampai review? If yes, then watch this unbiased review that will help you to decide either you should buy anything from this store or not, as the website is getting attention from different online customer and people are very curious to know about the legitimacy of this platform. So let's check out the detail. Hampai.com is an online shopping website that offers multiple categories of the product like auto lifting supplies, automotive shop equipment, automotive shop supplies, small kitchen appliances, Christmas decoration, and women's clothing items. The customer can buy frame machines, jacks and their stands, engine hoist and stands, brake service tools, funnel oil pans and mats, wheel alignment system and tools, Christmas trees, and much more. Let's check out the specification of this website. It is HTTPS secure website. They are selling women apparel, automotive part and tools, kitchen appliances and Christmas decoration items are available. The website was registered on 18th October 2021. Like it is few days old website. They shared their email address, contact detail and physical address. As far as payment methods are concerned, they accept payments via PayPal and credit card like MasterCard, American Express, Visa card, and much more. As far as its return policy is concerned, the company follows 30 days return policy. Customer can return the product as long as the products are unused and in their original packaging. Customers are responsible for the return shipping fee. As far as refund policy is concerned, the company promises to make full refund whosoever are the circumstances. However, the company will approve or reject the refund after complete inspection of the return item. As far as its shipping and delivery policy is concerned, the company currently offers delivery service only in United States. All orders are processed and then shipped within 1 to 3 working days. The EMS Express is estimated to deliver the order within 10 to 22 days. The positive point of Hampai.com are there is a wide variety of products available. We found a valid HTTPS certification. Any blacklist engine does not list the domain. The negative point of Hampai.com are poor trust score and low popularity, a low domain age and domain expiration period. So the question is Hampai legit? As we discussed, it is few days old website. It was created on 10th October 2021 and it will expire right after 1 year on 18th October 2022. It got no rank for Alexa. As far as trust index is concerned, it is 1 out of 100 and trust rank is 27.1 out of 100. Most of the content is copied from different website. We found no customer review for this website. All the important policies they shared on the website. The address given on the website is not true as found after through search on internet. They have not shared any social media link and connection. So the question about the reviews of the customer, as we all know that customer reviews give us a lot of help to check out the legitimacy of any portal, but we are unfortunate that there is no review that is genuine and trustable on internet regarding Hampai.com or its product. Genuine customer review are greatest aspect for online shopping. So in conclusion, we can say that the website has various negative point like it has poor trust score, low domain age, unpopularity, plagiarized content, no customer review and fake company address make this website suspicious. So we are not recommending you at all to shop anything from this store, and if you have personal experience of shopping from this store, please share your views and experience right in the comment box. We love to hear from you.